I get asked quite regularly, should I trade or should I invest? And to be fair, I don't think a lot of people know what the difference is between trading or speculation and investing. So in this particular video, I would love to give my definitions of what differentiates trading and investing and which one you should do. So first and foremost, what I classify as investing is going off and putting your money in appreciating assets that make more money for you. So this would be, for example, buying index funds or ETFs or stocks that then go off and appreciate in value and pay you out through a dividend. That, in my eyes, is an investment. Whereas trading and active speculation is getting into the market and getting out the market at different times and looking to make a gain or profit based on the difference in price. So one is timing the market, trading is trying to time the market, and investing is more time in the market where you just buy and hold. So whenever a trader comes up to me and asks, should I trade or should I invest? And they're already trading, they're already actively speculating, my answer is very simple, do both. I think no matter what you're doing, whether you're in business, whether you're an entrepreneur, whether you're a poker player, whether you're a trader, I think it's very wise to take a portion of all the profits you make and put those into investments. Why? Because until you're buying investments that make money for you, you're working for your money, it's not working for you. Trading and active speculation, you're working for your money, you're working for your paycheck. Whereas long-term investments, you invest in an appreciating asset, that thing goes off and works for you. So irrespective of whether you're trading or any other business model, any other income model, I think it's very wise to first and foremost have adequate savings, have a cash cushion there, and then take a portion of that and invest it into long-term appreciating assets that make money for you. Now, if you're investing, should you trade also? And I think this comes down to your unique set of priorities. Is wealth creation and is trading and is the financial markets and is learning the skill of trading, is that high enough of a priority to you to dedicate the time, the energy, the effort to developing that skill to then have a little bit more of a higher percentage return? So that's a question you want to ask yourself. Is it a priority? Is it enough of a priority for you to go off and learn and endure for a few years to learn that skill to then have a little bit of an extra return? And that's the question I'll pose to you. If you're an investor that wants to learn how to trade, you need to get clear on your priorities. Is it a priority right now, or does my life demonstrate that I'd rather put that time and energy elsewhere and just invest? But no matter what you do, I think it's always wise to start with cash cushions, to have an income coming in through a job or through a business, whatever it may be, and building up a cash cushion. And then on top of that cash cushion, building long-term investments. And then once you have the cash cushion and long-term investments, then taking a portion of your portfolio and going off and speculating with that and trading with that. I think that's wise. But I think a lot of people build the pyramid the other way around and they get into trading to want to get rich quick and try and make money really quick. And what I've seen is that if you're building that pyramid the other way around, it's very unsustainable. So my suggestion is start with the basics. Get an income, build a cash cushion, build investments, and then speculate on top of that. If you're a trader, I think it's wise to build investments and cash cushions. If you're an investor, you have to have a look at what your priorities and what your life demonstrates. Is developing the skill of becoming a trader high enough priority? If it is, great, go off and learn how to trade. If it's not, that's fine. You're still getting great results and returns through your investments through compound interest.